Let's start the recording. Okay. So what do you know about the spherical lenses?
Concave and convex.
Concave. So in the same mirror also it has, right?
Yeah,
What else do you know that?
that's
Anything
all.
else which you can share with me?
That's all.
That's all. Nothing else. Hmm?
Like, yeah,
Yeah, tell me, tell me.
that's all.
Okay, fine, no problem. I'm coming to that. So one second, please. So now we have to learn spherical lenses, right?
Yeah,
So we have two kind of lenses, if I will show you, right?
yeah.
So if you see that, this shape is known as what? Convex lens, and another
Yes,
shape is known as concave lens.
concave.
Okay. Mostly, if I see here, if I will add two concave mirrors. How many? Two concave mirrors,
Mirrors.
I will get convex lens. Just opposite. Can you see that?
Yeah,
And if I will add two convex mirror, I will get lens. Can you see that?
yeah.
This is, I have told you for your understanding. In reality, I don't think it happens. Okay?
Okay.
So the lenses is what? The lenses is based on refraction, not reflection. It's based on
Refract.
refraction.
Yeah,
Understand?
yeah.
Okay. Now I'm coming to one very important point. Okay, very important point. If you see here, if you see the convex lens, can you see that?
Yeah,
So, okay, I would like to show you one thing here. One moment, please. This part I need to show you. If suppose the lenses are thick or thin, lenses are thick and thin. Okay, do you wear glasses?
sorry. Yeah, I do wear glasses.
Okay, you wear glasses, right?
Yes.
Sometimes you have seen many students, so not many, few students is wearing very thick glass.
Yeah.
In Hindi, we say mota glass pehanta hai. And
Yeah.
some normally,
Canada that tells soda buddy.
okay, soda,
Buddy.
okay, fine. So no, so what they wear thick glass, right?
Yeah.
And many people wear thin glasses. But with few students, we have found they wear thick glasses. Why they wear thick glasses? What happens with the thick glasses? What is the difference in thin glass and thick glass? Do you have any idea?
The thicker the glass, I mean, for people who are eyesight is lesser, they use
Mhm.
thicker glass so that the magnification is
So,
more.
wow, how the magnification will more? What will be the difference basically?
Like, I'm not very sure about it. I only know this
Okay,
much.
come, I will show you. Just give me a second. I'm just taking one picture. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, one thing you just tell me, when I have taught you, when I have taught you mirrors, right?
Yeah.
So suppose this is my what? Which kind of mirror?
Concave.
Concave mirror, right?
Yeah.
Where my focus will located in this? Where the focus will come?
In the center.
Where? This is what? Center of curvature.
In the
So
center
that
of curvature.
and focus will come here, right?
Like little away from the center.
No, not little away from the center. It will be the middle. If this point is 10,
Like
so this will be
middle
5.
in between, like in between center of curvature and the mirror.
and pole.
Yeah.
Can you see that? We call what we called pole. This thing I have taught you in the mirror, right?
Yeah, yeah, you're tough.
Okay, now if I come to this one, okay, I will upload one image here. Give me a second. Copy, uploading.
Yeah.
Can you see that?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, give me a second. Okay, so if you see here, this is thin lens. This is what?
Thin lens.
Thin lens. I'm not talking about the which one will be convex or concave, doesn't matter for it. And this is what? Thick lens,
Yeah.
right? So if I draw the circle for it, if I draw the
Circle.
circle for it, the center will lie somewhere here, correct?
Yeah.
That's why focal length is coming here. Can you see that?
Yes.
But if I draw, this is thicker lens. So for thicker lens, if I draw the circle for it, so what will happen to the circle? Center will lie somewhere here. So thin lens is bigger circle or thick lens is bigger circle? Tell me. Who has bigger circle? Bigger radius? Thin or
Thin.
thick?
Thin. Thin
Thin
one. Big,
has
bigger
bigger
rate.
radius. So bigger radius means it will give me bigger focal
Bigger
length.
circle. Yeah.
So I can see from here the focal point. The focal point is more. And why the focal point is more? Because the circle made by the thin lens is
It's
big.
bigger.
So radius of curvature will be big, right?
Yes.
In thick lens, it makes a smaller circle, right? A smaller area
Yeah.
circle. So in this case, what will happen? It will create smaller radius of curvature. And a smaller radius of curvature, so focal length will be less. Can you see that?
Yes.
So if the focal length is less, it will give you more power.
Oh.
Okay.
If the focal length.
Because I will tell you, because the power of lens is 1 upon focal length. 1 upon, this is the formula. Do you know?
Yeah.
So you just understand, if my focal length is less, I will get more power, right? And if my focal length is more, that means denominator is more, I will get less values, right?
Yes.
Okay, so please make, because this is not given in your book, but this question comes many times, that why, please note down the question also, I'm telling you.
1 second. I'll just note down this previous slide.
Wait. No, okay, yeah, you can just draw the figure a little bit. So you can see here, thin lens has more focal,
Or I'll write it later on. You can tell that question.
yeah, wait, more focal length, and thick lens is less focal length. Understand? So more focal length means less power. Less power. Less focal length means
Oh,
more
oh,
power. Understand? Note
yes.
down the question, please. I'm dictating you.
1 second. Yeah. Great.
Okay, write down why. I will
Why?
also write for you. Why thin lens has, why thin lens, oh, yes, thin lens, or you can thin lens, or you can frame like this, which lens is more powerful? Which lens is more powerful, thin or thick? Give reason. What the question will come? Give reasons. That means you have to explain, not only that thin or thick. You have to explain. Understand?
Yes.
So for this, answer would be, I'm giving you answer in points manner, okay? Because points you can remember it easily, but you have to write down in sentence in your school exam. Is that clear that?
Yes.
So here I am writing thin, and here I am writing thick lens. So I will tell you, thin lens, thin lens has more focal length, has more focal length. I have shown you how it makes more focal length, right?
Yes. Yes.
And that is the reason power formula is 1 upon f, right?
Yes.
Therefore, it has less power. It has less, because denominator value will increase, so it will give you less value, right?
Yeah.
Here in thick lens, it has less focal length, means value of focal length will be less, right?
Yeah.
So we know that power is 1 upon f, so it has more power. Very simple. Why it has more powerful thick lens? Because it has less focal length, that's why it's powerful.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah. It's clear. One second. I'll just note down. Yeah. Done.
Okay, fine. Okay, come to the point. Give me a second. Okay, so do you clear about it, right?
Yeah.
Now we are proceeding. So two lens, you know that, right? One
Yes.
is concave and one is convex, right?
Yeah.
Now, I would like to tell you something more in this one. Okay, I will tell you ray diagram for it. But before moving further for the ray diagram, I would like to explain something to you. Okay, so for explaining, just wait. I need some pictures.
Yeah.
This picture is here or not? Yes, I got it. Give me a second. Can you see this?
Yeah. 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 I can.
In this picture, if you see that, we have taken one lens, right?
Yep.
In the lens, if I draw to, okay, I will use some other color, green color. If I draw some this green circle, can you see that? And I am saying that my object is standing here. So if my object is standing here, so it will send the light on this side of the, that means I am saying A and B of the lens, because we have two sides in the lens, A and B, right? So if
Yeah.
my object is in the left hand side, it will use which one? It will use the A side of the lens, right?
Yes.
So if I'm using A side of the lens, where the focus will create? Right hand side or left hand side? The circle is making by the A is like this. Can you
Right
see
hand
that?
side.
Right hand side. This will be the original focus, right?
Yes. Yes.
But suppose that I'm going to use another blue color. If I'm using this side of the lens and I'm putting my object here, can you see that?
Yeah.
And the light goes here, which will be the original focus for this one, for B? Left hand side or right hand side?
Left hand side.
Left hand side will become the original if I'm using the B side of the lens, right?
Yes.
If I'm using B side of the lens, this will become the original focus. That's why I keep F and F dash. F represent original, F dash represent virtual, means we have supposed that. Understand?
Yes.
In the case of lenses, we don't write C, we write 2F. In the place of C in the mirror, center of curvature, we write C, but here we write 2F. And this, regarding the pole, we write optical center as a O. Can you see that?
Yes.
Just make a note of this. If
Like
suppose
a diagram or like.
yes, diagram. If object, not exactly rough hand, if object is here, object in left, this will become the original focus. Understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
And your object is in right, so opposite side. In lenses, what happens? In convex lens, what happens? It will opposite side, right?
Yeah.
So make a note fast, because it's very important to understand which is the original focus, because many students are confused in this.
Yeah. One second. Just try to copy it.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Is it done now?
Yeah, one second.
Yes.
Yeah, done. Totally done. Hello?
Yes. Okay, fine. Moving. So do you understand how we can go for convex, right? If
Yes.
I take concave lens, what I do that? If I take
Concave lens.
concave, no, it's for convex. Yes, concave lens, right? So
Yes.
where the focus will come? Where the
Uh,
focus will come? Any idea?
Left
Any
hand side?
idea? Okay, I will. Not always. Not always. Any idea? Any idea?
Uh, uh,
Okay, I will show to you.
Not sure.
Okay, don't worry if you do not have, no problem. Give me a second. Just try to think about it. Okay, because without thinking, you can't able to solve the things problems. Understand?
Yeah.
Understand? Okay, just I'm taking one image here. I will upload. Yes. Can you see the image now?
Yes.
Okay. And suppose that I will increase the line. Can you see the line here?
Yes.
Okay, now look at here. If I'm putting the object this side, okay, first of all, I will just clear you which side I'm taking A. So this side I'm taking A, this side I'm taking B. Can you see that?
Yes.
So if I draw the circle for the A, this will become the circle for the A. Am I
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And if I draw the circle for B, this side will be the circle for B, B side. Can you see that? This
Yeah.
is a circle for the A, this is a circle for the B, correct? If
Yeah.
I'm putting my object here, if I'm putting my object here,
Here.
so this will use which mirror? This one mirror. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Mirror
Convex.
means the side of the lens, A side. So where this focus will come? Obviously, circle is making here, so focus will come somewhere here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm using a red pen now. So now, if suppose my object is here, so I will use this side of the mirror. Sorry, is this side of the lens, right? So where the original focus for this one? Obviously in the left hand side because, sorry, right hand side because its circle is in the right hand side. Can you see this figure? Are you
Yes.
getting my point? In
Yes.
concave lens, where in I think you know Hindi, जिस side object होगा उसी side focus होगा, right? Original focus.
Or like whichever side the object is, that only focus.
Right. But in convex, जिस side object होगा उसके opposite side focus होगा. Is it clear that?
Yeah.
That means in convex, focus and object will be in opposite side, right?
Yes.
But in concave lens, object and focus will be in the same side. Understand?
Yes.
This is very important concept and people miss this concept by and हम original कैसे लिखते हैं? Original we write just F. हम एफ डैश यूज नहीं करते हैं, एफ डैश यूज करेंगे वर्चुअल के लिए, इमेजिनरी के लिए. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes.
प्लीज राइट इट डाउन इन योर सेंटेंस. जो मैंने बात बताई आपको, यू कैन राइट इन योर सेंटेंस, because I will not frame the sentence for you. You can do by yourself.
Okay.
For your understanding purpose, I'm going to upload some more images here, so your understanding will be clear. Can you see that? Can you see that?
Yeah, yeah.
If my object is here, obviously this will be the focus here, right? If my
Yes.
object is here, so this will be the focus here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, please note down in your sentence so we can proceed.
I can just write for convex, wherever the object is there, or
Right.
there only the focus will be, and for concave the focus is always on the opposite of the object.
No, convex opposite, concave is same. You are
Okay.
telling ulta, you are telling opposite.
Okay.
Okay, just in convex, this is convex lens, right?
Yeah.
So in convex lens, object and focus will be in opposite.
Okay.
Can you see object is here but focus is here? Can you see that? Can you
Yeah.
see that? Yeah. So in convex, write down like this: in convex, object and focus will be in opposite side,
Yes.
and in concave lens,
Whereas in concave, the object and
object and
focus are the
focus in same
same.
side.
Can I add one more point?
Yes, tell me.
No, I'm asking, could you tell me another point?
What other point?
Like, that's the only one point after it, or anything else?
No, I will tell you more. First, are you done with this?
Yeah, I'm done.
Hmm. Okay. Now, in second point, mention that instead of center of curvature, we write 2F. Because in mirror, we have learned center of curvature. Can you see that?
Yeah.
But in lenses, we don't write C. We write 2F.
Sorry, in mirror we write?
In mirror, we write center of curvature. Look at the figure. Ray diagrams.
In mirror we...
Can you see the ray diagram here? In
Yeah.
convex mirror, you are using C. Can you see that?
Yes.
C and C dash. But in lenses, we don't write C. We write 2F. Double of the focal.
Oh, we write CF.
2F, not CF. Look at here. What I have
Okay,
written
yeah,
here.
I got it now. I got it. 2F.
2F. Instead of center of curvature, मतलब हम center of curvature की जगह पे 2F लिखते हैं.
Okay.
Right? Understand?
Yeah, yeah.
And center of the lens. Can you see center of lens here?
Yeah.
I will indicate with the green pen. Green. Can you see that? My green pen.
Yes.
This is the center of lens. This is what? Center of lens. We say it O. हम pole की जगह O लिखते हैं. We don't write pole. What we write? O.
Oh.
Optical center. It's known
Yeah.
as O is known as optical center. और ये वाला have you done this figure?
Yeah, I've done this. Should I mark this?
Yes.
Okay, 1 second. I'll just highlight 2F. 1 second. I'll just write
Yes.
definition of a
Yes.
2F.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, done. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. Hello?
Give me a second.
Yeah.
Fine. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
Now, write down rules for ray diagram. It's not law, it's rule. It's not law. Rules for lens ray diagram. Okay.
Yeah.
First rule. Rule number one. Rule are same. Rule are not going to change. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever rule you have learned in the mirror, same rule we will learn here. Only slight difference is there. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the difference? I will show you later. First, I will tell you the rule. First rule is the the incident
Right.
ray must be parallel to must be parallel to principal axis. Understand?
Yes.
Second rule. The refracted ray, not reflected, it's a refracted. Understand?
Yeah.
So refracted ray pass through, must pass through focus. Okay? Focus. Understand? The third, the imaginary line starts from head of object, starts from head of object, will pass through optical center. Please make a note.
Yeah. Yeah.
The three parts, please note down. I will take the ray diagram and then I will explain to you. And it is same as what we have seen in it is as same as what we have seen in mirror. There is no difference. Only slight naming difference. Okay, like what I said, we say mota glass. You have said in Kannada, you say something different, right?
Yeah.
So same thing. Here we are calling 2F. In mirror we are calling see, right?
Yeah.
In
Yes.
mirror, we were calling a pole. Here we are saying optical center. Only that is a difference. Nothing else.
Yeah. Could I write it down?
Yes. Done.
One second, last point. It is no no. Yeah, done. Done.
Okay, fine. Now I'm going to explain you. Now look at here. Can you see the figure? Can you see the
Yeah.
figure? Please draw the figure like this. How I have drawn 8 point both hand side. No need to draw the graph, right? You can take your plain paper and draw the figure like 8 points in the right hand side, 8 points in the left hand side, and just draw the lens. Please do it with me.
Like I should draw it. Hello.
Yeah.
But I've done this already. This part.
No, please do it.
No, I had done this no previously.
Right now, I'm going to tell you another thing. Please draw it. I have to draw the ray diagram for you.
Oh, okay, okay, like that. Okay.
Yeah. I'm not saying only for this because I'm waiting. Because ray diagram you will do with me. मेरे
Okay.
साथ करोगे आप, ओके? हाँ, मैं रे डायग्राम बताने वाला हूँ अभी. I have given the rule to you, right? So
Yeah.
after the rule, you need to apply that. So that application part I will.
Yeah, done. Yeah, done.
Okay. Now put the object at beyond 2f. Where? Beyond 2f in the right hand side, like this. Can you see that? Can you see that?
On the 2F. Okay, 1 second.
Beyond, because we will calculate everything from the optical center. So if I'm looking from the optical center, this will be beyond 2f, right?
Yes.
Please draw it fast. Done.
Yeah.
Then draw up first rule, incident ray. And it will go where? It will go till the y-axis, not till only it's touch. It will not touch this length. It will go till up to what point? Up to the y-axis. Can you see how I have done here? Can you see that?
Yeah.
Till this point. So draw it. And this will be known as, it should be parallel to principal axis. Rule 1. What I've written? Rule 1. Incident ray. Incident ray. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we move?
Yeah. 1 second.
Okay.
1 second. I'll just.
Yeah. This is the rule number 1.
Yeah. Yeah, done. I have done it.
Okay. Fine. Second rule. Second, what is the second rule? Can you read that? Can you read that second rule?
One which I've written.
Yes, which you have written it. Please read
Yeah,
that.
the refracted ray must pass through focus.
So where is the focus? Focus is F in the right hand side.
Yes.
Not in left hand side. It is in right hand side.
Right
Correct?
hand side.
So it should pass like this. Can you see that?
Yes.
Draw like this, please. And you need to write it down. This is, okay. This is rule 2. Rule 2 is refracted ray. Understand?
Yes. Yeah, done.
Okay. What is the rule number 3? Read that. Rule number 3. Akil, please read rule number 3.
Yes. 1 second. Yeah, the imaginary line start from head of the object will pass through optical center.
So where is the head of the object? Here is the head of the object,
Head
right?
of the object is on the left
And it
hand.
will pass through the optical center, and you can see how it's coming. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And it's going to cross where? It's going to cross somewhere here.
Refracted ray.
Somewhere here the image is created. Can you see that?
Yes.
So this is object, this is object, and this one we called it as image. Understand?
Yeah.
So this image will be what? This image will be real and inverted, right?
Real and
What is the
inverted.
nature
Okay.
of the, what is the nature? Real and inverted, right? And
Yeah.
it is what? It is between F and 2F, where the image is creating between F and 2F. Do you
Two.
understand?
Yes.
So this is the rule for the ray diagram. Okay. And have you completed your homework? I don't think you have completed it.
The one which you had.
Yesterday I have given you all the
Yeah, I
questions
sent
on
it in
the.
the WhatsApp group also.
No, I have seen that you have done, but all the problems is done.
Yeah, all
because
the
because I have not checked that right now, because you have said
all the problems I've done. You've given
whatever the problem number I have given you are done with that, right?
6, 11, 12, 13,
Hmm.
14, 15, 16, 17.
No, not only that much. I think I have given more.
And MCQ.
Yes, so all I need all, not only MCQ. After the 17, I told you MCQs, right? Yes, that much.
Yeah,
All are done now.
only two MCQs.
Okay, fine, no problem. Okay. Now, what you will do today, you need to do the practice of the ray diagram. I'm giving you the table. I'm giving what? Table,
Table.
and you will do the practice with convex lens. What you will do the practice?
Convex lens.
Convex lens, like how you did in the mirror. Can you see that?
Yeah.
I have already done this one. Beyond 2F, which image is coming between 2F and 2F, it's diminished and real and inverted. Can you see that?
Yeah.
What I need from you, this, and this. Only these four images is your homework. You need to draw 3 times each image. Do you understand?
Yes.
Each image means each. That means total 12 images you will send to me. Is that clear that?
Yeah, yeah.
That means three for this one, three for this one, three for that means same thing you will do 3 times. I'm not saying do new. Same thing you will do the 3 times. And be careful. I'm very smart. If you will send me same image 3 times, but that means you're just clicking the photo, you are not drawing it, I will catch you. Understand?
Okay.
So for each image, that means you have written 1, so you will write 1A, 1B, 1C, like that. I want to see this also on the notebook. Understand? मैं क्या कह रहा
Okay.
हूँ कि जैसे आप ये वाला सॉल्व करोगे between F and 2F, ये नंबर 1 है, राइट? सो अपने नोटबुक पे आप नंबरिंग करोगे 1A, 1B, 1C, और तीनों इमेज जो बनेगा वो सेम आएगा, लेकिन ये नंबर्स मिलना चाहिए मुझको. Is it clear that when you
Yeah.
will go for this image, second one, तो second one के लिए same image same रहेगा, only you have to do the numbering on the image. Is it clear
Could you
that?
send me the slide on WhatsApp so that I can?
What slide? Okay, yes, I will send to you. मुझे ये homework चाहिए by today itself. I don't care. Is that clear that?
Today?
Yes, by today. What
By
happened?
tomorrow before class?
Okay, fine. By tomorrow before class, you can do that. That means before the class, I need this. Is that
Yeah.
clear?
Yeah, yeah. Before
I,
class?
I have,
Easy.
yes, I have shared with you. Okay. So before tomorrow's class, I need it. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, we will meet tomorrow. And please join the class on time. You can see if you will be late, it will become the problem for me also. Because
Okay.
I need to spend late.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, yeah.
All set?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, bye. Take care.